Dear students, uh, uh, we're going to discuss about the topic operators in C programming language. So, where we are using operators in mainly we are used in or calculations by the calculations. Um, so, what is operator? Operator is nothing but a symbol. It tells the compiler how to perform the functions which are on logical arithmetic function like addition, subtraction, multiplication. So this perform the some mathematical operations. There are uh, the main type of operators are one is arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, and miscellaneous operators. So this is that means what this not coming under any category. That is no category and all. That's called these operators are um, uh, miscellaneous operators. So it's a normal symbol you are using for normal in operator. What a symbol? Plus na plus symbol. Addition you are using plus symbol. For subtraction you using minus symbol, and multiplication you use asterisk or star symbol, and division use slash symbol. So like this. So this use the operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform a specific mathematical and logical functions. Okay, so mathematical function and what the operations we know, addition, multiplication, subtraction, like this. So same as well as we can do all these operation on logical also. Okay, so logical function and what are the logic functions for binary operations? Uh, that is logical and or not, and moreover complement we can calculate one's complement, two's complement. So these things we can do with operators. So first one, um, arithmetic operator. So arithmetic operator, what are the main arithmetic operators? One is a plus symbol. What is the use of plus symbol? It's to add the two operands. So any two integer or add the two integers or floating point value. So any two numbers. Okay, that means a simple that as two operand, operand should be numeric value. Okay, you can't add a string. If you add a string, na, we can that is also possible, but we can use a specialized symbol there. That means what you can concatenate the string. You can maybe some you have to any operand. Suppose a values uh, for given just a and b, just values a equal to 50, suppose b equal to 10. What happened? So this is 30 value. For example, a is 20 and a is 10, b is 20. What happened? So 10 plus 10, 20. 10 is 20, 10 plus 20 is 30. So same as a equal to 20, b equal to 10. Sorry, b a equal to 10, b equal to 20. What the man is a minus b. 20 10 minus 20 is minus 10. Like we can do the multiplication. A value is here 10, b is 20. 10 into 10 multiply with 20 and after 20. So what you use? There are plus symbol to add the addition operation. So this is minus symbol. This is that is a hyphen. That is a hyphen symbol is used for subtract value, and asterisk. This is star symbol used to multiplication. Slash now slash symbol to use for division. Okay, division symbol. Suppose in this case, look at this. B is 20, A is 10. So 20 by 10. So it will use only quotient value. Okay, it remains quotient. Suppose if it floating point value, fractions will come. For suppose 5 divided by 2, what is the answer is will be Answer will be 2.5. Next one, modulo operator. Modulo operator nothing but just it uh, give the remainder of the, so modulo operator is and the remainder of the integer division. Simple thing. Suppose b value is 20, a is 10. So 20 modulus 10. So what the operations quotient is 2, what is the remainder is 0. So we just you return the you can get the remainder of this uh, integer division. Okay, we get the remainder of the integer division. So whether it may be 0 or 1. If it is divisible, it is what the answer will be is 0. Not divisible, maybe 1 2 3 like this. Okay, not other than 0 if it not divisible. So only two possibilities. And increment operator, decrement operator, nothing but it's very simple thing. Increment operator means what? Suppose a value is 10. So a plus plus, what happened? A equal to a plus 1. Just one, look at this. Increment operator increase the integer value by 1. So with 10, what happened? 10 plus 1, 11. Likewise, see, decrement operator decrease the integer value by 1. What happened? So a equal to 10. So what's the 10 minus 1? What will be answer? 9. Okay, simple. Okay. This is a that is means what? A equal to a minus 1. This is the equivalent form of this minus minus. Suppose plus plus means a plus plus. What the equivalent is? A equal to a plus 1. Suppose a minus minus a minus minus, it is a equal to a minus 1. Okay. Now you can understand the what are the arithmetic operation: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment, and decrement. Just continue this. Mm. Relational operators. Relation operator, simple, little bit different. Equality. First one is a double equal. Double equal used for the unequal. So whether the two values are equal. Suppose a equal to 10, b equal to 20. What happened? It's not unequal. It's not true. Am I correct? Suppose if you say, look at this, exponent symbol equal to, this is inequality. It's a equality symbol. So checks the values two operand is equal or not. So in this case, if it is not equal, then condition became true. But in this case, look at this, if double equal, if a condition is, if two operands are equal, operand are equal, this condition is becomes true. But this simple thing. So whether equal or not equal, simple. Double here with it. Next one is greater than and less than. What is greater than less than? You know what is the values. If it is two operand, so whether one is bigger. Suppose a value a and b. A is 10, b is 20. So obviously, this is not true. It's a false. Suppose in this case a equal to 10, b equal to 20. So it's a true value 10. So likewise, this is simply what is greater than and or equal. So this is the condition is what means. So not and, this is or. So either or either both are equal or lesser value. Same way here both are equal or greater value. So this is the two operations. So this is a main relation. Now you can understand equal and unequal or greater than, less than, uh, le less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So these are the relational operators. So logical operators. So only you should do logical operations and or not. So this is the logical operation. This is called, we could do the either it is written only Boolean value. So Boolean value is what is Boolean? Whether either it be true or false. Okay. There are two operands, a and this, you look at this double ampersand symbol, using double and symbol, ampersand symbol. Look, a ampersand and b. See, next one is logical or. We using the pipe symbol, double pipe symbol. Okay, this is called pipe symbol. That is look like a vertical line, double vertical line. Okay, this is double vertical is called as pipe symbol. So A pipe symbol, B is a true necklace. Next one is A. Look at this, not operator. Okay, not operator means what? So if it is false, what happens? So we can make it a if it is not means true became false, false became true. Look at this first one, A and then B. So look at the operator A and then B. A is 10, A is 20. So definitely it will be false only. There is not equal. But in this case, either or are. In this case, either or case, either we can say true. What is the complementary of A and B? Is A and B is false. What is the complement of, sorry, what is the and value? So not value. So just put not false equal to true. Am I correct? So this is simple logical operator. Mm. Next one is bitwise operators. This is a very important widely used in binary operations. So what happened? So in bitwise operators, all operands, suppose we integer, it will, first it will converts into hexadecimal value. For example, zero. What is the equivalent the hexadecimal values? Just 0 0 0 0. That is a double zero double zero. Am I correct? So the consequently we can place the 0 0 0 0 0. So suppose if you say 1, what is the equivalent value? 0 0 triple 0 1, and 2 okay, it is double 0 1 0, 3 double 0 double 1. So this equivalent value. So decimal equivalent of, sorry, binary equivalent of decimal value 3 is equal to double 0 double 1. I think we already studied in computer organization. Just to recall this number systems, um, the binary number system. So just we can put it in the hexadecimal format. Okay. Look at this, A and 12. A and B is what? What the answer is? A and B is a 12. How we can say that? So example, just how we can representations 0 0 0 and 0 0 3. So 0 3 like this. Just to give an example, look like this. Just one is binary and just and simple ampersand. Okay, let's say not logical operation. This is a bitwise operation. This is different. Okay, logical and symbol and pipe symbol, single pipe symbol, not double pipe symbol. Look at this, single ampersand, single pipe symbol, and this is for binary or XOR is a cap symbol. Okay, this is a cap symbol used for the XOR operations. That is exclusive OR. That is the exclusive OR, and binary OR is nothing. There are two kind of operator. One is inclusive OR and exclusive OR. So inclusive OR is simple pipeline. Exclusive or XOR, another word is exclusive or XOR is a pipe symbol, sorry, cap symbol. Next, tilt symbol. Oh, tilt, this is the tilt symbol used for ones complement operator. Ones complement is a tilt symbol just to complement the value. For example, what it does, you make it as 0 as a 1, 1 as a 0. Suppose complementary of double 0 double 0. What's the complementary of double 0 double 0 is double 1 double 1. That's all. Just we complement. So simple thing. Next one is binary shift operator. You shift the value from move the bit into right side. Sorry, left side. Left side is right shift. Right side the right shift operators. That's all. You see the example on one. Look at this, the binary operation. Now you can get the clear idea about it. There are two variables, Boolean operation. You can assume that. Look at the B and Q. This is a truth table. P and Q is a truth table. There is a 0 0 and 0 1 1 0 1 S 1 1. So like that. So if it is first one is and symbol P, ampersand symbol represents the P and Q. What is the pipe symbol represents? P R Q. But this is symbol is a symbol represents, cap symbol represents exclusive R. Am I correct? So PQ. So look at this. This first symbol 0 0 0. So either or and or not so always 0. Look at this second one. P is equal to P 0 means here look at this 0 is means false, 1 means true. Okay, so second case second is 0 1. What is the P and Q value? 0. P and R is 1. P and exclusive XOR is Q is 1. Same here, both value P and Q is 1. So what happened? So P and Q is 1, P or Q is 1, and exclusive R is 0. Next 1 and 0, P is 1, Q is 0. But the P and Q value 0 and P and Q is 1, P R Q is 1, P exclusive R Q is 1. So we take simple example 60 and 13. So how we represent the binary equivalent binary format 60 and 13? Already told you, na. So just 6 we can represent the 2-digit number. We need each digit is represented as a hexadecimal format. So look at this A. What's the 6 equivalent form of hexadecimal format? 0011. Sorry. Next one is in this case B 1130. This is a equivalent format. Just with example, okay, binary formats we can take this equivalent finite equivalent of this number 60 and 13 0011 and 11000. So likewise 00001111. This is the equivalent form of 13 and 16. This is hexadecimal value of this one. We can say that suppose A and B, we can suggest we can put it as A and B. So I told you first one with 0. Look at the first digit 0 and 1. What is 0 and 1? 0. Am I correct? 0 1 0. Next is 0 0 0 and 1 1 is 1. 1 1 is 1. 1 0 is 0. 1 0 is 0. Everything 0. So simple thing. So the first example, like then just we can get the bit, the least bit, last to right. Okay, we can connect the last digit. We can compare the last digit of A, compare with the last digit of B. The last digit of A is 0, last digit of B is 1. So B 0 and 1. But the answer, look at this 0 and 1. What the answers? 0. So like this. Like the next one is last before digit is 0 and 0. Likewise, we take it from left right to left. Okay, next assignment operators. This is a very important operators in C programming language. This simple assignment, just assignment means just you store the value some format some value. I need to store some value, so we need assignment operator. So assign the value just for assume the value. Symbol, this is equal symbol is used for the symbol assignment operator. It assigns values from right side operand to left side operand. So that means what? So A plus B, that result of the A plus B, C equal to A plus B. Look at this. So we'll assign the value of A plus B to C. This is example. Like add and assignment operator. And operator means what happened? So what is the C plus equal to? C plus equal A, but the equivalent of is C equal to C plus A, and minus equal, how can write this? C equal to C minus A. Is a equal is like this. Multiplication operator C star equal A is equal to format C equal to C star A. Like division operators also. So look at this is used for the assignment operators in C language. Not only just module operator, same module operation. So see, we can start form. Okay, C equal to C mod A, we can write as C mod equal to A. So this is also next like logical shift operators and left right shift right shift operators, bitwise operators, we can write like this also by using the this is called assignment operator. Next, miscellaneous operators. So this operator is not in the category. So one is there are one is size of, next ampersand symbol. So and this is star and ternary operator. So these are special operators we use for size of, to return the size of integer and size of If it integer, size of integer, what bytes, how many bytes? The 4 bytes. So we return the size of the integer variable. Next, ampersand symbol is return the address of the variable. Used to address the next star symbol to represent the pointer variable in the C language. Likewise, ternary operator is a conditional expression operators. So these are the other operators. We see the example of this. Next, precedence. So which one comes first? Okay, for normally operator precedence. So for example, and suppose I have to I correct the value a plus b star c. So which operation takes? There are two operators in this case, multiplication, division. Sorry, multiplication and addition. A plus b. So which one is to come? Which one calculated? Sorry, whether is multiplication or addition. So this is the precedence. Which one is preference? Which compiler give uh, preference to multiplication over than addition. So first preference of this is called preference. Just for example, so look at this. If it is postfix operation, first is postfix operations only, first preference. So what is the a plus plus and b I plus plus? This is postfix preferences and brackets, and these are the and pointer variables, pointers. So these we using these are left to left. This is the post. Next one, urinary operators at multiplication, division, modulo. This is the next third preference. Fourth preference is addition and multiplication, and fifth preference is shift operators, and sixth one is relation operators, greater than, less than, equal. This is the next one is another next after the relation operators we find the equality operators, whether it's equal. Next one, another bitwise operators, and logical operators, and conditional operators, and assignment operators. Last one is comma. Okay, this is the preference. So preference is like this only. Now we can understand the operator. So let us see the examples of the operators. First one is arithmetic operations. How we do the arithmetic operation? I take two value a and b and c. The a, b, and c. Okay, we assigned the already predefined value. We assigned the value a equal to 9, b equal to 4. That means a is 9, b is 4, c is unassigned. Okay, first c equal to a plus b. So we print the value. What happened? So 9 plus 3. Simple example. What the result will be? 9 plus 3 is 13. Next one is 9 plus 9 minus 4. What the output? A minus 5. And 9 into 4, 36. That's the multiplication. Division, 9 by 4. So what happened? In this case, division, it returns only the quotient part. Okay, not remainder part, only quotient part. Which is 9 by 4. What the answer will be? 2, because it's integer. Suppose floating point, it gives a fraction numbers, but here no fractions. Next, a mod b. This is a modulo operator. A modulo b. That what is the 9 minus 4? What is the remainder? So question is 2, and um, this division of remainder is 9 by 4. Remainder is 1. This is a mod operator. Next, increment and decrement. Likewise, we assign the value a equal to 10, b equal to 10, 100. So we increment operator. What happens due to the incrementation? So a equal to a plus 1. So 10 plus 1 is 11. Here decrement operation. What happened? So b equal to b minus 1. So 100 minus 1 is 99. So likewise, we can suppose there are two kind of increment: pre-increment and post-increment. So it's a pre-increment done. So for the pre, in this case, pre-increment only. So likewise, the given example, plus plus c. So 1 plus added and plus added. Next is assignment operators symbol. What is the unique of c equal to a? That's a simple only assignment operator. First a equal to 5. So see this, look at this, a equal to a value. What is the a is 5? So first c is unassigned, again Assign C is value changed to assign C. If C value is changed to 5. Okay, C is 5. Now look at this. So what time is it? C equal to 5. C only changed. So look at this. Only print the C value only. A is constant. A equal to 5. We never change the A value. Only we change the C value only. First we assign the C equal to A. Then what happens? C will find. After this, C equal to C plus A. Now what happens? 5 plus 5, 10. Look at this. C equal to C minus A. What happened? So all 10. 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5. What is? 5. Okay. Now C equal to C star A. That means 5 into 5, 25. Look at this. C equal to C bar A. Already this C value is um, uh, here 25. What is A value? 5. 25 by 5, 5. Okay. And next C module value. What is C value is 25. Mod value is 5. Is no remainder. So it's 0. Print off. Very simple. Hmm. Like bytes of the size of operator. So return the size of the for integer or floating point value and double and character. So what is the size of this integer? 4 bytes and float point. So according to the compiler, some compiler returns 2 bytes, some compiler returns 4 bytes. I told you, I already told this is not class, but anyway, size of integer may vary on the compiler. Some compiler returns 2 bytes, some compiler returns 4 bytes. Mm. Next, floating point returns 4 bytes and double is 8 bytes and the character of size is 1 byte. You can further reference, you can refer this book, Yashwant Kanitkar, and there are web materials to totally find. So this is my contact number. Um, I hope you understand this operators. If you need queries and doubts, you can feel free to ask me. Feel free to message me. Uh, this is my contact number. Thank you, guys.